Welcome back everyone for the spinach recipe. So this is the homegrown Malabar spinach. I've picked some really nice leaves and washing them very clean. Next thing I need is the really well cooked boiled sweet potato, and you need onion, chili and garlic for frying. As you see, I'm frying them real nice, adding some salt that is needed. And then as a next step, I'm going to add the mashed sweet potato. You need to ensure they're mashed really nice, there are no blocks, and then you will make them as cakes. Once the cakes are made, you will wrap them up in the Malabar spinach that is washed. Wrap them up very nice. Ensure that the leaves are not breaking. It's possible the leaves will break because it is fresh. You see, I'm making the cakes, placing them on, wrapping it. You're seeing I'm using cloves so that the leaves are holding and they're not opening up in the very next step. You're seeing that I have put some little bit of oil and I'm frying it on the tawa, literally like steaming. And then after 20 minutes, you will see that there are some really nice Malabar spinach stuffed sweet potato. It's really good dish. It's having the raw taste of Malabar spinach and sweet potato. A very nice snack for the evening.